students. Today in the online series of Stay Home and Stay Safe, we are going to discuss about how to write a perfect notice to achieve the maximum percentage of marks. This is the question. So we are going to study about a perfect notice writing as to get good marks. What is the purpose of notice writing? With what purpose it is delivered to the persons? Let us have to discuss. Point number 1. Notice is a formal means of communication. Communication means giving and taking of ideas. If I am the chief of any organization or any institute, I must have to get a notice issued on the notice board as an information given to all the persons related to that organization. Second thing, one is formal. Pay attention towards this. Many students start writing notice as hello my friends or hello friends. This is a wrong process. Completely wrong. Why? Because it is informal way of letter writing, informal letter. So never use such types of addressing words. Addressing words should be completely avoided in a notice. Second thing, I and we, first person, are never to be used in a perfect notice writing. So it is a formal means of communication. Communication means giving and taking of ideas. Any information to be delivered to all the persons related to any organization or any institute. Formal way means this is a general information. Never try to use any addressing words as hello friends, hello my dear students. Never try to use. Never try to use the language I, the secretary of health club, want to inform. It is individualistic, specifying of yourself. So never use this type of words. Second thing, it is the announcement or display through which any information to a particular group of people. I have told you, the workers working in an institute, the students studying in a school, just like this particular group of people, this message of notice is being delivered to. Third thing, display board is compulsory. If any society you are living, it must have a display board through which the secretary of the society gives any particular information to the dwellers of the society. This also requires schools, public places, all these things. Display board is compulsory for notice writing. Many notices we see, they are published by the government in the newspaper. This is the general information given on behalf of the government to the common people. What should be the perfect format of notice writing? Look at this. Main important thing is this. Number 1, name of organization or institute issuing notice. Suppose that I have given a gap from this to this and from this to this. On the mid side, name of organization or institute issuing notice. It is. So name of organization is to be written on the top. Second thing, title notice in capital letter. Under this, on the mid side, gap from left side and right side should be equal. So notice is the word that must be written. Again, third thing, heading. 2 lines below, we must write the title or heading of the notice. On the left side, we write a date. Then we come to the body of the notice. Content. The word limit of this content is 50 words near about. Many students think that this is also included in 50 words. No, my dear, it's not so. Only 50 words on words near about 60, 70 it may be. In literature, the words 10 or 20 words may be more or less. It is. But content must be having not less than 50 words. This is the word limit of the content that is to be noticed in a content column of the notice. Okay, so this is the body of the notice. Content, what should be like this? Notice content is what? First thing, if any meeting is being organized, what is the schedule? Date, time, venue, it must be discussed in the content. If anything, suppose that you, while playing on the playground, you have lost your purse, this general information that you can write on the notice board. Notice content should be starting like this. This is to inform to all the students that I, while playing on the playground, I have lost my purse, in which my Aadhaar card and many important papers were also kept. So please, anybody who finds the purse lost by me, please deposit it to any authoritative personality. This is the content. So body of notice is very important. Next, the writer's signature. This signature on the left column after the content, left column. One line must be written in the last of the, suppose that a scheduled meeting is being organized, so you can write for further details, contact the undersigned. Contact the undersigned. This line must be given. After that, we should write the signature of the person issuing the notice. Name in capital letter, it is to be mentioned. And third thing is designation. Suppose that you are the secretary of the health club. You must write secretary of the health club. It is your designation that is given to you. So this is the perfect format. If you are following this format, naturally you will get good percentage of marks. One thing to be avoided always, that is first person using, and second is terms of addressing words are never to be used in a notice. So thank you very much.